we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're comparing the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Jura E8, both automatic espresso machines. Big difference right off the bat. The De'Longhi is showing up as renewed on Amazon.
Right, so potentially a used unit versus the Jura E8, which is brand new, and comes with a glass milk container that immediately puts the Jura at a premium level.
Definitely, and the price reflects that. The Jura is listed at over $2,500, while the De'Longhi, even new, is significantly cheaper. Let's talk features. The De'Longhi boasts 6 one-touch recipes, including iced coffee, which is cool.
The Jura claims a whopping 17 specialties. Plus, it's got this professional aroma grinder that promises 12% more aroma. Sounds fancy. And it uses pulse extraction process, or P.E.P, for maximum flavor with espresso.
Okay, the De'Longhi has a built-in conical burr grinder too, with 13 settings. And a traditional milk frother, so you can still customize your grind and milk texture. It's not like you're totally locked in.
True, but the Jura's milk system cleans itself automatically at the touch of a button. That's a huge convenience factor and one of the main selling points for this machine. The De'Longhi has dishwasher-safe parts, which is nice for cleaning, but it's not fully automated like the Jura.
Good point. Size-wise, the De'Longhi is a bit smaller, if counter space is a concern. It weighs significantly more at 20.8 pounds compared to the Jura at only 1 pound listed. Although I suspect that 1 pound for the Jura is wrong, or maybe just for the milk container.
Yeah, that weight for the Jura is almost certainly wrong. The dimensions are bigger, so it's definitely heavier than that. Another thing, the Jura has an algorithm that learns your coffee preferences and adjusts the display. Pretty smart.
Okay, so the Jura is definitely packing in the tech and convenience, but at a much higher price. The De'Longhi seems like a solid option if you want a good espresso machine without breaking the bank. Although, the renewed condition is something to consider.
Exactly. It boils down to budget and how much you value convenience and those extra features. If you're a serious coffee aficionado and willing to invest, the Jura E8 seems hard to beat. If you want a good machine with a smaller budget, the De'Longhi is definitely a good option.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.